Good morning guys, good morning. Guys, so exciting because today we are here in Bali, Indonesia. So, selamat datang Indonesia. So, ayan guys, feeling natin nasa Pilipinas na tayo. Look at that, no? May mga palm boats na, the fauna, the temperature, the sun, the humidity. Oh my God guys, parang nasa Pilipinas ka na talaga. And today guys, it's 28 degrees centigrade, so medyo mainit. Humid na talaga, feel na natin yung pagiging mainit sa Asia guys, because just like back home. And look at that, the fauna, the trees, everything is almost the same. Even the people are all of Malay race, so kagaya natin guys. So dito pa lang sa terminal guys, ayan, makikita na natin na marami ka na makikita dyan. And there are also like cultural dances happening now below, so we're gonna go there shortly. So ayan guys, ito yung na makikita natin just here the terminal. So guys, meron tayong mga doon structures na pwede nating puntahan later on. And ayan guys, so kung gusto mo guys pupunta doon sa main talaga, doon tatawid kayo ng bridge na yan guys. So marami pa talaga kayong makikita doon sa loob-looban guys. So ayan guys, Bali is a very nice place to go and to have an rest and recreation. And I would suggest you guys coming here and see Bali for yourself. Pero just an alert guys, Bali is too touristy. So medyo pricey yung mga dito guys, no? Commodities, services, including yung mga transportation guys. So ayan, kasi what can we do? Bali is so nice. You have basically almost everything set up for you. And it's just a nice place to go in Asia. Alright, thank you for watching. Terima kasih. Again, thank you for watching. See you in Semarang. Bye bye.